How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn some ways you can fix your Snapchat device ban problem. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your settings application from your device. At this page, scroll below to apps and at the top search bar, type in Snapchat. In here under usage, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Then clear the data as well. Also be noted that clearing the application's data will delete all of your account history and databases. If you would still like to continue, then tap on to delete. Now go back and tap on Force Stop from your bottom right. Tap on OK. Now restart your device, and if it still does not solve your problem, then head over to Chrome application or any web browser that you have in your device, and at the top search bar type in Snapchat support. Tap on Snapchat support at the first search result. Under the shortcuts, tap on My account is compromised. Then under here, simply type in your username, your email address, your associated phone number, and the description of your problem. Once you do all that, solve the CAPTCHA and tap on to submit. Just like so, this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.